Fairfax County is facing a shortage of election officers. Here's your chance to be part of the election process. As an election officer, you would arrive at the polling place at 5 a.m., prepare the polling place for voting, assist voters, operate the voting machines, tally the results, and remain until all work is complete at about 9 p.m. To be an election officer, you must be registered to vote in Virginia. You must attend training as required. You cannot hold elective office or be employed by an elected official. And for working as an election officer, you'll earn $100. To apply online, go to fairfaxcounty.gov/EB and click on Working at the Polls. Please note, I-9 employment eligibility verification requirements apply. To have an application mailed to you, call 703-324-4735. Be a part of the election by becoming an election officer for Fairfax County.